Hi everybody, this is my current events topic that I picked for this assignment. I did my topic on storms and tornadoes in the southeast region, and this actually occurred in March of 2021. So it was based on geography due to the weather conditions in the southeast region. So my topic had to deal with, I talked about how it destroyed and damaged homes in that area and the heavy rain conditions and lightning and winds, and schools had to be, I guess some of them are in person in that area, so they had to call those schools off, and a couple people were injured, and a lot of homes were actually destroyed due to the storms. And this would affect the residents living in this area and the people's homes and damages and injuries that would be affected by it. And this is just where it was located in the southeast region, as I talked about. And then how would I connect this to the classroom? Of course, it is science, and I would talk about geography. I would connect the geography and certain weather conditions in not just that region, but in other areas as well. So then I can expand the lesson of geography, and I can talk about natural disasters. So that's for that assignment. Next, I have the lesson plan, and then I did connect my primary grade is second grade, and I would introduce counting money. So not just so I would introduce money, specifically counting coins such as pennies, nickels, dimes, and quarters. And I believe this would take maybe about a week to discuss, just because it is like a really big topic. I don't know exactly how long students usually take to learn about this. I feel like quite some time they would. Like I said, because it is a big topic and a big lesson. So my goal is for students to become familiar with counting money and specifically change, and I would discuss how it contributes to the economic system and why we need money and how the system works. So I feel like I would connect this math topic with the economic system, which is pretty interesting. So they would get to learn some sort of that topic. And for the assessment, I would kind of just give them like a short, like a worksheet and coin value and place value, and how they learned the topic and how they can implement that into like an assessment. I would implement, I would say. Let's see. Of course, for diverse learners, I would take my time, of course, and do everything I could do, such as visuals and present on my whiteboard, and just take my time with whoever needs, as a diverse student, whoever needs extra help. Equipment-wise, of course, I would provide coin manipulatives, plastic, paper, the assessment that I did talk about, whiteboard to present my lesson, And then, of course, my intro. Let's see. Of course, I would just introduce students to the topic of money and the economic system. Throughout the process, I would just present my lesson and using manipulatives to discuss working with money, coins, and the economic system. Beyond that, they would do their independent practice, which is demonstrating their and working independently on what I've taught in the lesson and what they know about it, about the topic, and how they can demonstrate the topic to me overall, excuse me. But other than that, that's kind of my lesson. That is my lesson plan. So it's just like it's a pretty good lesson, I would say. Okay, thank you.